Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Cyient off-campus is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title, it is for associate test engineer, and the salary or the CTC, it is 4.5 lakhs per annum for the freshers. So the salary ranges from 4.5 to 7 LPA, and the experience needed, both freshers as well as experienced graduates are eligible to apply, and the location, it is Mysore. And the technical skills that are needed for this particular job role, you need to have knowledge of PCBA, that is printed circuit board assembly, and as they are hiring for the testing, you need to have good knowledge of testing. So these are the skills that are needed for this particular job role. So then coming to the application link, so these are the different ways in which you can apply. So first thing is, you can either apply autofill it with resume, or you can apply manually without uploading the resume. You can just apply manually by filling all the details. And if you already have the account with Workdays, and if you have already created your application there, you can just use your last application. And you can apply with Seek. It's a platform in which you can apply with Seek. And the last thing is apply with LinkedIn. So you can just choose any of these options and you can just apply. So we'll see how to apply autofill it with resume. For this, just you need to upload your updated resume. This is the first step. First step is you need to upload your updated resume. So after that, you need to fill your information. So these are the information, like how did you hear about us. So you can just mention off campus. And the next thing is that have you previously worked for Cyient. So do mention no, and your country, and here your legal name prefix. You need to give your name, last name. So the same thing you can give, or you can just leave it. And you need to mention your address, then city and your postal code and the state and your email address. And here you need to enter your phone number details. So this is the second step. And the third step, you need to enter my experience, in which you can just add your internship details, your percentage. You can just add everything. And the next step is voluntary disclosure. So there will be some of the questions in which you can just mention yes or no. You can read thoroughly and choose yes or no. And lastly, you just need to review your application and you can just submit. So these are the different ways in which you can apply. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.